another goat and it's lying on his back. Stop.
What?
Stop.
But this is your main road, Farai?
Yeah, that's right.
All right. We are now off the main road, as Farai was kind enough to cut the grass.
Oh, with the little one.
Yeah. So all of this, I'm expecting a year to come there will be no problem of me. Yeah, to my family. We'll be taking one by one, the eggs. Yeah.
That's your son.
Okay.
It's friendly,
Yeah.
but he is afraid of it.
Can be. Snakes aren't friendly.
Yeah, because I normally teach them don't play with snakes.
Ah, all right.
If we teach them play with them, then they can play with the vicious one.
Yeah, that's good. But it's a strange one, huh? He
Yeah,
will attack me, or doesn't he?
No.
Waar is dat ding dan?
But,
Yeah, you can hardly see him. You have to look at his head. You
Yeah.
see, now he's moving.
yeah. We call it a twig snake. That
A
is
twig.
why you hardly see it.
Yeah.
If it is on the
You see, it's like a rope.
Yeah.
Ik zie niks.
When
It's
they
going all the way.
Waar is het waar dan?
Ja, ik zal opzij gaan, dan kan je een gat in de lucht springen. Daar is zijn kop. Daar.
Waar moet ik kijken? Op het pad? Naast
Nee,
het
hier
pad?
langs de draad. Kijk, hier. Ik raak hem nu aan.
Oh, het lijkt wel een tak.
Ja, precies. Alleen zijn kop is wat gekleurd. Kijk maar.
Helemaal plat.
Don't take a bath now.
Yeah, this is where we used to park. Yeah. The farm is entitled to have this.
Ja.
So since morning, nobody has been using it.
Yeah.
So the water is,
You have to
I have to keep
push
on.
it up a little.
But you said you take a 30-liter bucket or what?
Yeah, 30-liter buckets.
30 liter.
Buckets.
And you walk home
Yeah.
over the river.
There's the water coming.
From the ground.
Yeah.
Pumping.
And you can drink it as it is. We were drinking it just now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good like this.
Yeah. From how deep is this coming? Do you know that or?
It's, yeah, the owner said it's 25 meters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you said, this is the land of your neighbor, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're allowed to use his pump.
Yeah.
The Sisal.
Size.
But the flower is already gone, or it has to blossom.
Yeah, it has to
Yeah, it has to blossom.
So it's still going up.
Yeah, it's still going up.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye.